Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Sahara Gaming is all about bringing its customers the most feature-packed products for their money. While some of their choices in products they choose to rebrand from their OEM supplier may be open to discussion, the case we are going to be taking a look at today is no exception. The P480 draws its styling inspiration from the 011D series by Lian Li. The P480 comes with either a tempered glass front or a mesh variant, and customers have a choice of 4 matching fans from their lineup: Duo Ring, Single Ring, Pirate Turbo, Pirate Eye, or Pirate, or their Typhoon fans, all available in 120mm variants only. The P480 can accommodate up to 11 fans at any one time, offering various configurations, which is optional. Front and side can accommodate 2 120mm fans or 2 140mm, the top 4 120mm or 3 140mm, the rear 1 120 or 140mm, the bottom 4 times 120 or 2 times 140. Obviously, all optional. The case might raise questions is the need or desire to install so many fans at the top and bottom of a budget-oriented case. In my opinion, this design choice stretches the case unnecessarily deep. The case's height is roughly the same as other ATX cases with this styling, although it's not as wide due to the PSU being relocated to support a full ATX power supply. However, this affects 2 fan placements, making them less useful and less used for 2.5-inch SSDs. The case itself has a significant amount of space within the chassis, with more than 5mm of clearance between the fan placements and the side panels, top and bottom of the case, and also the motherboard tray. However, this may sacrifice some cable management options and the possibility of relocating the PSU. Another minor point worth mentioning is not all the standoffs were installed, which may be considered less than ideal here in 2024. Nevertheless, the case does serve its main purpose of maximizing aesthetics, originality, and airflow. However, I do believe it could have been executed better. Filling the case with all of the fans that Sahara Gaming provide us may result in a louder PC unless you choose to invest in premium silent fans, which could make the overall cost exceed that of the case itself. Now, moving on to the positive aspects. The case has easily removable panels, and I particularly love the interchangeable front panel. There's also an additional mounting bracket that can be placed behind the front panel to house 2 140mm fans, allowing you to transform the case from the fish tank look into an airflow beast. A nice touch and a similar concept seen to the 011D Evo. Another commendable feature is the magnetic PSU cover door inside the case, even though it may slightly hinder cable management. The feet on the case are an ideal length, enabling the fans to draw a significant amount of air from the bottom through the full-length magnetic dust filter, and the matte finish paintwork on the case panels is superb. Building a PC in the main chamber is easy due to the abundance of room, and the overall build quality of the case is really good and very sturdy. I just think that if the case were slightly shortened, the motherboard tray and fan mountings adjusted by around 5mm, and it came with 7 140mm non-RGB silent fans, this case would be even more of an appealing choice. So, with a starting price of $79.99 for just the case alone, moving upwards to £129 depending on the choice of fans you choose. So, if you liked this video, hit like. If you loved it, subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one.